Would you want to easily generate reports from data in your Google Sheets? In your Google Sheets, head over to the Marketplace and install Sheets 2Written report. Select Generate Bulk Report. Give a name to your report, indicate a start row and an end row and generate the report. Type or paste your report content into the text area. Take note of how the column letters are indicated in the report. Generate the report. After generation, head over to your Google Docs by searching docs.google.com. In your Google Docs, you should see your generated report. Would you like to add some formatting to your Google document? Add the formatting to only the first page to save time. No need for extra work. Head over to the Google Docs Marketplace and install PagePerfect. Apply the formatting and all your pages will adapt the formatting of your first page. Wasn't this easier?